Hi guys, today we are learning how to answer questions in Brainly. First, unlock your phone and open the Brainly app. Once the app opens, you'll be taken to the main screen where students ask and answer questions. Make sure you're signed in before continuing. Now tap the Community section to browse questions posted by other users. You'll find questions from different subjects and topics. Scroll through the feed until you find a question you can answer. Once you find a question that you know the answer to, tap on it to open the full question. Read it carefully so you can provide a helpful and accurate response. After that, you're ready to write your answer. Next, tap the Answer button at the bottom of the screen. A text box will appear where you can type your response. Try to give a clear and complete answer to help the person who asked the question. After typing your answer, tap Submit on the right side of the screen. Your answer will be sent to the person who asked the question. If your contribution qualifies under Brainly's system, you may also receive points for helping the community. And that's how you can easily answer questions in the Brainly app and help other students. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below for more easy step-by-step tutorials.